Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be making this Tommy Bahama inspired bandana. This is for a big dog. If you have a smaller dog, you can just reduce the number of rows that we're gonna be making, and that's it. Looks very pretty, easy to make, and here you can just adjust according to your needs. This is for the neck. So, adjustable bandana. Let's start. We're going to start by making a magic ring. Insert a crochet there, and we're gonna make 3 chains. This is gonna count as our first double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over 1, yarn over 2, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over 1, yarn over 2. So I have here 3 double crochets. I'm gonna separate these 3 double crochets with a chain. Chain 1, yarn over, and I'm gonna make 3 more double crochets. 1, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over 1, yarn over 2. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over 1, yarn over 2. So I have 3 double crochets, 1 chain, 3 double crochets. This is row number 1. Now we're gonna pull this yarn. We're gonna make now row number 2. 1, 2, 3 chains. Turn my work, yarn over, in the same stitch, in the first stitch, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet. Yarn over 1, yarn over 2. Yarn over. Now I'm gonna work here in the center where I have my chain 1, and I'm gonna make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and 3 more. 1, 2, 3, and I need to make 2 double crochets at the end. I'm gonna go to where I made my 3 chain, and there I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, and in the same place 1 more double crochet. Perfect. Now I have row 2 completed. Let's go for row number 3. We're going to make 3 chains. This is our first double crochet. Turn my work, yarn over, insert the hook in the first stitch, yarn over 1, yarn over 2. Now I'm gonna start working in this space, and I'm gonna make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. have here at the very first stitch, I have 2 together, and in the space I have 3. In this space, this is the space in the center, I'm gonna make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3 double crochets. I'm gonna separate these 3 double crochets with a chain 1, and I'm gonna make 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna repeat what I did at the very beginning. I'm gonna work here in the space with 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna work 2 double crochets at the very end. Here, 1, in the same space, 2. That was row number 3. Row number 4, chain 3. This is my first double crochet. Turn my work, yarn over. In the same space, in this first stitch, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, yarn over. I'm gonna start working in this space, and I'm gonna make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. Again, another space, so it means 3 double crochets there. 2, 3. Yarn over. Now I am at the center, so it means 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 to separate these 3 from these 3 that I'm gonna make now. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna make what I did here. 3 in this space, 3 in this space, and 2 at the end. This is how it looks now. We completed 3, 3, 2. As you can see now, we're going to be adding 3 double crochets in every row we make. Let's make one more with me. 3 chain. Turn my work, start my first double crochet, yarn over, in this space, have 3 double crochets, next space, 3 double crochets, next space, 3 double crochets, in the center, what I always do in the center, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and 3 double crochets in the same space. I'm gonna finish this with you. 3 double crochets, next space, 3 double crochets, next space, 3 double crochets, and at the end, in the chain 3, I make 2 double crochets. Excellent. Look how it is going now. So I'm gonna continue doing the same steps until I reach 12 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna do some more, and I'm gonna be back soon. Let me show you now. I have the 12 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. As we said, this is for a big dog, but I would suggest you to just keep measuring your dog as you go. If you have a smaller dog, make less rows. If you still have a bigger dog, just keep going. Now we're gonna make 28 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have now the 28 chains, but as I told you, you gotta keep measuring on your dog to see how it looks like. So this is for a big dog. After we made the chains, we're gonna go to the second chain and we're gonna make single crochets. In each stitch, we're gonna make one single crochet. One single crochet. Like that. So I already made one single crochet in each chain. So I'm gonna keep going with my single crochets. I don't have exactly a number, you just go and you just check every time, check that this is flat. So I'm gonna make one in here, one here, and always check, is this flat? Yes. And we're gonna count how many we are doing in this side, so we have the exact number for the other side. Just keep going. One single crochet. I made here 25 single crochets in this side. I'm gonna do one here in the center, and I'm gonna pull this yarn a little more, and then I'm gonna have the same number in this other side, and I'm also gonna hide this piece of yarn as I go. I have finished now with the same number of single crochets than in this side. It is looking really beautiful, very pretty. Okay, now we're gonna do next one, next row. I'm gonna do one chain, turn my work, and I'm gonna work double crochets. In the first stitch, I'm gonna make one double crochet. Next stitch, one double crochet. I'm gonna make all double crochets. This row is all double crochets. This is how it is going. Now I'm gonna keep making my double crochets all the way to the end. About to finish. This is my last stitch, my last double crochet. There, perfect. Now I'm gonna continue making one single crochet. So I'm gonna do one chain in here, and I'm gonna do this through all my work. I mean, all this until we get here. Just one single crochet. Like that. I'm about to finish with a single crochet. This is the last one. And this is how it looks like. Beautiful. So this is now how it looks like. This bandana is looking gorgeous, beautiful. Now I'm gonna be using here the applique that we made in the last video, the palm tree. This looks fantastic. So it's up to you. You wanna do it maybe there or maybe there, maybe there. I'm gonna have it there. So with the green, with the help of my needle, beautiful. Pay attention to all the details. We're gonna do this. I want here to be, I don't want this to be like that. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm going to the very end there. Yes, there. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. I'm gonna keep stitching. This is how it is going. It's looking beautiful. I'm gonna also stitch this into here. Perfect. Almost done. You can hardly see the stitches in here. It's looking beautiful. And in the back, it's looking very neat. So I'm just gonna finish there. Ended up making a little knot. I'm gonna do the same with the brown for here. So this is how it looks like. Very, very beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do it and leave me a comment and like this video if you liked it. See you next time.